Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this popular Nigerian rock buns for my family. So if you want the commercial version of it, you can check on the description box on my channel. I have the video on my channel already. Welcome once again. Let's get started. Ingredients: you need 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of margarine or butter, 1/3 cup of sugar, half cup of milk, salt, baking powder and nutmeg, vanilla flavor, a little, just some drops. Go ahead to start adding your ingredients. You need 1 egg also. Add in your flour. You pour your nutmeg, baking powder and salt. Pour in your sugar. Incorporate the ingredients, mix together. And you add in your butter or margarine. Mix very well. Crack 1 egg and you add it right in. Please, if you're not sure of the freshness of the egg, go ahead to crack separately. 3 drops of vanilla flavor. And you start adding in your milk. My milk is already finished. I noticed it wasn't enough, so I have to drop little water to mix it very well, just little. So look at that, it's already beautiful. So I'll take out my time to start molding. Because I'm making these buns for my family, I'm using hands to share out the dough. So if you're going for commercial, it's good you measure out your dough, so that when the buns is ready, all the sizes will be equal. So take your time and mold. As you mold, you set it aside. You can use a plate or tray, sprinkle some flour and you place your buns as you mold. When you're done molding, you can set your hot oil on a medium heat and you start frying. You can first check whether the oil is hot with a little pieces of dough and you start adding your buns. Add and you start stirring so that the down part will not burn. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of coming around, this is your first time of watching my video, you're highly welcome to the family. Feel free to join this lovely family by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert on notification of my newest video when I post. To my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. Thanks a million. Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to comment. Feel free to like. And don't forget to share to your friends and family that loves Nigerian buns. Okay, stir till you have that golden brown color. Please, to have a good quality buns, number one thing you must do is to use the best oil. Please don't go for this white congealed oil in the market. It is not good. It will spoil the taste of your buns and it will still scratch your throat. So always go for the best oil so that when you eat, you will enjoy what you're eating. Even though you're doing it for commercial, please go for the best oil. It will draw more customers to your table. Please, it's very important. I know things are costly, but it's important you do this. If you want the commercial recipe of those buns, the ones you can do and you'll make more gain, feel free to check my description box, or you feel free to check out my video. I have a lot of videos for you. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, I do many different pastries. Feel free to check out my channel and enjoy all that I have. They are all for you. More than 300 and something videos are there for you to learn. All the recipes are straightforward and well detailed. And feel free to always reach me by asking questions. Look at that, looking so yummy and beautiful already. So take your time and you remove from the heat. Wow, beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at that. Looking so beautiful. Okay, so let me open the one. Let's see how the inside is looking. This is beautiful. Look at that. Soft inside and rocky outside. Thanks a million for watching. I love you. Bye.